snatching. That's right. We going camping, snatcher style. We got something going on right now. It's gonna be epic. You're gonna enjoy this. We gotta find us a blanket, a blow-up mattress, and some other items. Rock with the snatch. You see Snatcher, Mrs. Snatcher back here? Yeah. Cinematic, know what I'm talking about? Ooh, cinematic.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
I bet you he is. Hold on, what they got?
They got a 4-piece cast iron skillet set for $29.88. That's for y'all that need to cook on cast iron.
We're going into the camping section, y'all. She said she helping me.
I'm helping.
Right in the debt.
We got some air mattresses.
I told you this is what I was looking for right here. Hey guys. This is what I was telling her about. She was showing me some $49.99. This is what I was telling her about. $18.88. Snatcher fam, I think we missed out on the falls. We might have to get us a, but the queens, guys, check it out. The queens is $18.88. What the fish snatcher? I might need me one of those.
What's that?
That's a full. That's a full. This one. That's a single. This one.
See, that's what I was telling you.
$14.97 for the cheapest one.
Pay $11.88.
Or you can pay $11.88 for the ones that don't have any attachments. And you can buy $40 in attachments. Yeah. Guys, let me figure this out. We out of falls. We got to make a decision over here. We're going to do this in the cold, in the snow, in the wind, whatever. Yeah. All right, guys. We also trying to figure out some heat. You got to be warm. So this is what we came up with. You got to let me know in the comment section if I should get this right here. It's a portable buddy heater. 4,000, 9,000 BTUs. You see Mrs. Snatcher, she's holding the box right now. She's really thinking about putting this inside with us. Cause she says it can't hurt you.
I didn't know Miss Snatcher didn't say that.
Only reason we're looking, cause my wife's scared she's gonna be cold. $8.88 ain't bad. I think I like the $14.88. It feels like grandma.
Is it pre-seasoned?
No, it's not pre-seasoned. But there's a set. All you need is two of these. Two of these to get busy. Let me see what Miss Snatcher got going for you. I'll be back.
Okay, so what? Want to wait for the next store? Or make your coffee? Or my tea? Or my hot chocolate?
Got to have my coffee in the morning, y'all. Y'all already know. All right, guys. Let me tell you what's going on. So we about to go to a whole nother Walmart just because they don't have the bed. I mean, we gotta have a bed to sleep in. If they ain't got the bed I need, I gotta be gone. Catch you on the next one. Snatch is out.
You right, you.
Y'all heard it. And y'all know I was right, right? I ain't gotta tell you I was right, but y'all know I was right. You know why? Snatcher is always right, man. I am always right. I'm just saying that. I don't really believe that though. So don't take it the wrong way. I don't really believe I'm always right, but usually I'm right. But I don't believe I'm always right, but usually I'm right. I can't remember what I was right about, but I was right. What I was right about.
I don't know, but you do always think you're right.
And no, she's not short, guys. I'm just 9 feet tall. Yeah. Oh, trying to mess up my video. I see that, people. Trying to mess up my video. By now, you've been watching this video, so you know what time it is. You know where we going. You know what we doing. It's our anniversary. That's right. 20 long years with this woman right here. And I couldn't ask for anyone better. Snatcher style. Yeah. So apparently, this is what we feel like is necessities right now for our trip. We got this big old bin right here. We got these things right here. They're gonna have to stay tuned to see what that's for. You're gonna have to watch the whole video to see what that is for. And you already know what that's for. This setup right here, you know what it's for. It's Intex. It's a full. It's the pump to go with it. We got the pump to go with it. Also, you're gonna see what that's for. We got us some plates right here. They're blue. And then we got us a cast iron pot. So like I said, that's what we feel like is our necessities right now. My wife is looking for some stuff for her nose so it don't get stopped up.
Allergy medicine.
Allergy medicine. And this is the aisle we in right now. Some of you guys and ladies know all about that. Listen guys, I just told my wife, this is the start of a new chapter. Something new we're getting into. We're embarking on a whole new epic journey. And you guys are coming with us. Snatch a stab. Yeah.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
Snatcher fam, it's official tissue. We made it here. In case you wondering where we at, Cocaine Bear Woods. Yeah, got Mr. Snatcher with me. We're about to set it up. Oh, this is gonna be an epic weekend. Y'all don't even understand. Let's go. Let me get set up and I'm gonna get you guys right back because we're running late. We're supposed to have been here a little earlier than what we are, and we gotta beat the sun, guys. We gotta get it done, yeah. I'll leave you here to the battery now. How about that? Maybe you can see how it's setting up. All right, guys, this thing is called the Ease. Let me show you what it's called here, guys. This is what we're about to put together. We're going tip. It says it can be set up in 60 seconds. Let's see if we can do it in 60 seconds, y'all.
One hour later.
Trying to get us a fire going, y'all, because it's cold.
See, we can't get us a fire, family. box. We're trying it first time ever. 2 burner. We got this from Academy Sports. We're gonna see what it do. Let's see what we got, guys. We're gonna try to put both.
While he's cooking that, I'm gonna work on the side. Everything chop fit salad with everything seasoned ranch dressing. Work smarter, not harder.
Let me tend to this man's job over here, guys. Us man's got to do what we got to do. We're on location, guys. Cocaine Bear Campgrounds. Yeah, if you know, you know. Oh, it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. She's trying to tell me how to do it. She likes her Worcestershire sauce. It's like the dog commercial. She put that on everything. Franks.
It's the everything seasoning, like the everything bagel. I don't know if y'all know what I'm talking about, but if you don't, you need to go figure it out.
We're gonna let that sizzle till we see it get brown on the sides, guys. And then we're gonna flip them. But check out the skillet, guys. So this is my new skillet. Miss Snatcher talked me into buying it. It's a pre-seasoned skillet. And this is my new grill here. Well, I'll say ours. I keep saying mine. It's ours.
You missed the biggest part. It's not just, it's a pre-seasoned cast iron skillet.
Pre-seasoned cast iron skillet. Yeah.
Baby. Just like that.
Just like that. We crammed it. Understand. Let's get back on the tripod. All right, Snatcher family, let me welcome you to Mikasa. Mikasa Sukasa. Check it out. Before we do that, my wife want to show you something. She bought me this for Father's Day one year. Here we go.
Lovely blue cot. Well, I don't know if it's blue in the inside, but it's a camping cot. We're going to put it inside the tent so I can kind of go in and sit. But you can lay on the cot. You got pockets on the cot where you can put your cell phone, whatever you need to lay on there. But just somewhere where you can sit down inside the tent. I'm glamping over here, okay?
So we never been inside here, you guys. Well, pro tip, guys, pro tip. When you are going camping, make sure you check and make sure your tent works. And you know how to work it. We was going on faith in God. This is a Swift Rise Tent 6. Supposed to sleep 6 people, guys.
This one's not gonna hang because the piece is full.
The bears is real. See, I could camp with you guys, but this was camp for the night. This was camp for the night. We out here, I tell you, Cocaine Bear Woods. You think the snatcher gonna stay out there in that tent? You gotta get to this part of the video to see this, because if you don't watch the whole video, you're gonna believe I slept in a tent with Mrs. Snatcher in Cocaine Bear Woods. Yeah. Shout out to Cocaine Bear Campground. If y'all don't know where that's at, watch the movie. Tad bit nippy out here, guys. Tad bit nippy. So this is where we are. And we was tenting, I think, right here. This is where we was tenting at. And this is where we are now. But this is a big old facility. It goes all the way up through there with your bicycles. I would show you more, but it's cold. I'm gonna make this a quick one.
Picture the beach.
Ooh, look at that breeze tunnel. It's gonna get cold, yeah. Got you some unisex bathrooms. Concession stand. And here's your beach, you guys. Nice little beach. There's also a pier down that end over there, but it's closed right now. Guys, Mr. Snatcher said we're going to walk to it. So we're going to go do that. We're going to walk and check it out. No concession stand. There's a woman's bathroom right there. Men's bathroom on the other end. I guess we can walk through this way.
Yeah, this the shower part. I wish I would have. It's the shower area.
Yep.
When you get
So
out.
they go take the showers. Little nasty sink.
You know you want you some
drinks?
water.
Who do a drink out of that for 20 bucks? If you would drink out of that, get in the comment section if you drink out of that. Let me know. Do you drink out of water faucets and spigots and water fountains? I don't do any of the above. Is it just me? Let me know. Talk to me in the comment section. Woo, there's the wind. Here's some outdoor showers. Ooh, would you take a shower in there right now? $25,000 right now. And it's currently 23 degrees. Would you do it? It's 23 degrees right now. For 25,000. Would you hop in that shower? And you have to stay for 25 minutes for 25,000. Let's just snatch one shot to see. Electric vehicle charging station. I wouldn't know how that works, but you guys probably do. And here, as you can see, that's it, it's fishing pier. And it's all the way down through there. I might not walk all the way.
No,
Let's see.
but what would you be if not the fish natural without showing them the fishing pier?
Now this is the first time since being out here I can say that I'm cold. Pets must be leashed. That's the start of a trail right there, guys. Start of a trail. These down here to the pier is closed. So now if you want to go down there and fish from the sand, you could. I wouldn't suggest casting right now. You see the waves? It's all coming right at us. The wind is blowing directly at us. So this is the swimming area. But you could come right here and get your canoes and get out in the water, guys. Yeah. I don't know about you guys, but where I'm at, trout season officially starts April 1st. That means you can go out there, get in the water, and go see about some trout. And y'all know that's one of my favorite freshwater fish to eat. It's trout, especially rainbow. I think I like rainbow the best out of all trout as far as eating wise. Let me know in the comment section, talk to me. What's your favorite trout to eat? Is it speckled? Is it brown? Is it rainbow? Like I said, mine's is rainbow. Let me know what yours is. Feels good coming back into the sun.
Get us a fire going at the campsite.
Gotta go get us a fire going. Now that's a fire. I got a whole bundle to burn, so I'm gonna burn it all. So I don't think I could put it back. So we got an extra bundle last night just in case. And I don't know, well, y'all did see some of the fire. So this thing is gonna be crazy, this video, because I filmed a lot of it on my cell phone. And then now you're getting footage from my GoPro. Are you going down to the picnic area?
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. I mean, that's a good walk for this morning because this gets some exercise.
We're getting our cold morning exercise. But we're gonna head down to the picnic area and I'll show you guys that. And then we can get back in the car and warm back up and get all ready for breakfast. Because we still haven't ate breakfast yet. But one good thing is we're letting it heat up a little bit outside. Let the sun warm up a little bit. And we won't be so cold out there cooking breakfast. So like I said, you seen earlier in the video, I bought a propane grill. And I think it cooked pretty well. It blew out a few times from the wind, but it makes a funny sounding noise. So after you learn what that noise is, you know to immediately go over there and put some more fire to it. You know, strike a match, bring you a lighter. Oh, that's what I should tell you about that. So in the future, we know to bring us one of those pole lighters. I don't know what you call them. You know, the long one with the trigger.
We had one, I just forgot it. We had it, guys, that's my fault. But I did have matches and he had a lighter. So we did good.
Well, it did work fine, really. So it was no big deal. But it'd be easier for some people, especially if you're a little nervous about the flame, which it didn't touch my hand or anything.
He was nervous, he was nervous.
You can stop over here. Like I said, they got wheelchair access at the other one, but this one here is pretty wheelchair accessible too. It's gonna be a little gravelly, but the other ones had gravel too, so there's no real big difference. Also, guys, down this way, I don't know if you can see where that SUV is at down there. That's where you put in your kayaks. And you see down in these woods right here, there's picnic sites scattered all throughout there. Like there's one through there. It's got a table, it's got a grill. You know, there's no way, you can't put a tent up. It's not for camping. It's just for having a picnic. And you can access the beach from in there as well. This is the West Shelter. Yeah, so you get people rent these places out and have their parties and stuff like that here, their gatherings. Two big old grills. Nice little water pump right there.
I may look into go ahead and reserving the space to like have the family come out and picnic and stuff out here this summer. I think we probably need to reserve it now for the time we would want it when it's warmer, because it says it's a first come first serve. If nobody's here, you can use it, but if it's reserved, nobody can use it. You can invite you, sister, and mother, and everybody.
That's what it is, guys. So you got to see it. We're getting ready to head back to camp, but first we're gonna go get warm. Yeah, I'll holler at y'all in a minute. Catch you back at camp, Snatcher fam.
And memory. And the Oscar goes to...
Now we on the rise. Get down to mommy with the sweater eyes. Pulling the grip, cop the NikkiNickels.
All right, guys, we're about to pack it up. Got to break down this tent, take the stuff out, clean up the whole grounds, and get up out of here. We had a great time over here, like I told you. If you stay to the end, you know where we've been. This is what's the name of this campground?
Patty's Creek Campground.
Patty's Creek Campground. Nebo, awesome. What you rated out of 10 when you started?
I give it a 10 out of 10.
I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10 right now, only because it was perfect for the conditions we were in. Couldn't ask for anything better, but I still haven't got to go fishing. I got my gear. I mean, I was ready. It's just too cold. It's like 23 degrees right now, something crazy. But we had the fire going, we had some food, we had great conversation. Most importantly, I had Mrs. Snatcher. So you know we had a great time. Yeah. Catch me on the next one. Snatches out. Peace. Y'all already know, make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. We down here at the ocean getting it done.